Introducing the VHX-X, KEYENCE's latest all-in-one digital microscope, a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of every industry. Compared to our previous models, we've significantly enhanced the expandability and flexibility of the VHX series, enabling users to effortlessly perform advanced inspection and analysis all within a single unit. KEYENCE's microscopes have been adopted by more than 20,000 companies worldwide. Now let's dive into the food and pharmaceutical industries. The enhanced built-in lighting of the VHX enables clear observation of tablets that were previously challenging to see. The 4K high-resolution camera ensures that even the slightest changes are meticulously captured and analyzed. With a depth of field that's 20 times greater than a conventional microscope, the VHX ensures that objects at varying distances remain sharply focused. With our elemental analysis feature, you can also instantly identify materials at the click of a button using the same system. So what are your thoughts? As we just saw, KEYENCE's VHX microscope excels in intuitively performing comprehensive analysis, making it indispensable across industries. As a leader in global innovation, KEYENCE remains dedicated to pursuing the advancement of microscope technology to bring innovation to your business.